Middle East country Israeli aro Iran beket Hamas khan machete jasal October 7 tarik hamla sur kugena laraiti first time ja presenting Sunday drone attack te American troops 3 jon Jordan osorde murai disha aro itu drone attack kugena thaka oporti President Joe Biden to Iran beket Hamas militant khanbra hobo koi dia ase aro US khan to hatsa oporti response kuri dibo koi dia ase report US khan to attack opor details collect kura ase holipi Iran beket militant group Syria aro Iraq ti operation kuri thaka khanbra hobo koi gena bitin koi dia ase aro situation oporti president aro vice president lead kugena hatsa opor kotha kuri disha aro president bitin to attenders khan ki US khan to response kuri dibo koi dia ase US Central Command khan to hatsate jokhum kurida 25 jon opor count kuri ase aro attack ti murija identity reveal kuri dia nai aro Hamas spokesperson Sami laga statement ti Gaza region te innocent civilian attack kuri thakya stop na kura takti inika face kubo koi dia ase aro Manipur ethnic violence hatsa opor ami khan alag alag video footage pai thakya sabti Commander in Chief of Arambai Tengol aro members khan to state police khan laga gari te bohigina jai thakya witness kuri ase aro video release oporti tribal manu khan to awas uthagina state force collaborate kurgina thakya oporte condemn kuri ase state pitor law and other situation ekdom alag style bra cholai thakya oporti valley maki ama khan to highway charta pasta jakate gari khan rukhagina poisa collect kuri thakya social media sobte footage viral kuri ase donation laga namte video take kurgena koi thakya sabti travelers khan especially hill area bravel district te treatment ja thakya khan takti kun kepi map sap nai aro donation collection te women group khan to fix amount demand kuri ase aro itubra bemar karni hospital ja thakya khan to financial harai thakya khobor pailoi ase khobor pai thakya sabti world first jet suit race Dubai Sports Council khan announce kudigina Dubai to help kulobole report dia ase reported Dubai Council khan to aircraft na hoigina world te first time rakhibole ase aro even to gravity industry collaborate kurgena organize kuribole ase aro even to Shika Hamdan bin Muhammad Rashid aro alag leaders khan laga directive hisab te rakhibole koi dia ase North State manu khan bra against kuri thakya CAA issue ti Union Minister Shantanu Thakur West Bengal South 24 Parganas related koi thakya hisab tu Citizenship Amendment Act CAA karni controversy bishi ulagena aijashe olipi ek hafta macheti implement kurlobo kogena jonai dia ase Union Minister Shantanu Thakur laga statement ti itu CAA bill to 2019 te Parliament khanbra pass kudishe olipi COVID-19 ahi jagina implement kurbole napara issue ti Union Home Minister Amit Shah laga statement ti CAA country fitur implement kurlobo aro bill oporti kunbra pi rukhabole naparibo koi dia ase Assam Police khan la report ti accused ekjon CID Criminal Investigation Department officer laga nam loigina minor maki ekjon opor biya kam kurbole koshish kuri thakya police khan to complain pai sabti arrest kulo shekoigena khobor dia ase family khan la complaint ti accused Mahendra Boratu CID officer ase koigena minor maki bacha opor romantic relation kuri aijasha aro missing hoja issue ti family khan to Dispur police station te FIR file up kugena thakya sabti police khan to through mobile number trace kugena Sunday rati arrest kulusha aro maki bacha rescue kugena family members khan ke handover kuri disha aro detail investigation rakhi thakya khobor dia ase